Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Arlie's Adventure. This is Arlie, and today I am bringing you a short video of our forest bathing walk with Bodhi. Quick story. Bodhi and I have been living in LA for the past 3 years, almost 3 years. And before that, we lived in Shasta. So recently, Bodhi, let me show you guys. Bodhi, sit. Bodhi recently just started getting like a bump right here on his nose. And it was starting to get bigger. That's actually the diminished version of it. Before we came up to Shasta, his bump was bigger. And he was starting to form another one right behind it. And then we came to Shasta and we've been walking in the forest, hiking. He's been drinking that clean Shasta water. And I can say that his little bumps are diminishing. So that just shows right there how healing it is to be out in nature. Even for the pets, even for the animals. You know, forest bathing is scientifically proven to help people from their illnesses and depression, anxiety, and something is definitely helping Bodhi feel better as well. His legs are doing better too. You know, he has 2 bad CCLs. Well, 1 bad CCL. How cool is this? Come over here. And ever since we've been here, we've been walking and hiking, and he's been doing so good. So good. So it's definitely awesome to see Bodhi heal, and that makes me very happy. So we are at the Mount Shasta City Park, where the Sacramento headwaters start, and we're on the other side of the park, close to the 5 freeway. The 5 freeway is literally right there, and then there's this beautiful park here. It's pretty awesome. All right, let me cut video so I can show you my face. All right, guys, so yeah, look how beautiful this place is. I absolutely love it. This is actually like my first time exploring this part of the park, and I think we already hit the end here. So there's a fence, but that's a nice little walk, nice little forest area. Come on this way, Bodhi. Pretty awesome. Look at this. I mean, it's pretty awesome. And yeah, so just wanted to make a quick video and share how Bodhi's been healing, and I've been healing, and we've been forest bathing. It's awesome. All right, we're gonna cross this walkway right now. I'm gonna turn the camera around. All right, let's go. How awesome. I wish all the city parks were this amazing. All this natural. This is literally like so beautiful. All right, guys. Well, happy Monday, and thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so now. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Adios. I'm not done yet. I ran into this nice pond. Look how beautiful, guys. It's almost sunset. That's Bodhi. If you haven't met him before, he's about to be 4 in March. He's a Great Pyrenees mixed with Lab. That's my son, my baby, my partner, my best friend, my ride or die, my spirit guide. Yep, all that. All that and more. Wow, it's really nice over here. I've never been over here before. And I lived in Shasta for a whole year once. And I didn't even know this was here. Wow, wow, wow. All right, we're reaching the end of the hike. Short, nice forest bathing session. All right, guys. Let's try this again. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Oh, it just keeps getting more awesome. It's not over. It's not over yet, Bodhi. All right, we're gonna keep recording. It's cool. A lot of horsetail. It's medicinal. Plant medicines. Thank you, Pachamama, por la medicina. Thank you, Earth, for the medicine. Wow, such a beautiful day today. It was a holiday today, President's Day. A lot of people were out, and the weather is nice, even though it's winter. Yep. All right, we reached the end. Adios.